If you've opened Telegram lately and noticed that searching for global channels just doesn't work anymore, you're definitely not alone. In fact, lots of users have been frustrated by the no results bug, or what seems like a bug, when trying to discover new public channels. Stick around because by the end of this tutorial, I'll help you unlock Telegram's global search again with simple fixes and a few insider tips so you can find the channels you need. Let's jump right in with the most common solution. Even if you're on mobile, you'll actually want to switch to Telegram Web for this part. So hop on your browser and head over to webtelegram.org. This is the only place where you can tweak some privacy settings that are crucial for what we're about to do. Once you're logged in, click into Settings, then Privacy and Security. Now scroll until you spot sensitive content. Here's an area that trips up tons of folks. There's a filter designed to keep certain channels hidden from search, but it can be accidentally set way too strict. You'll want to find the Disable Filtering option and make sure it is turned off. This way, Telegram is allowed to show you all channels, even the ones that might be flagged as sensitive but are totally relevant to your interests. Don't worry if you're not sure what qualifies as sensitive. This setting is safe for most everyday users. Just double-check because re-enabling all content often immediately brings channels back into your search results. Next up, it's time to refine your search technique a bit. Telegram is pretty picky about keywords, so instead of typing something vague like music, try entering the exact channel username if you know it, or a very specific term related to your topic. Think of this like searching for a rare book in a library. You won't find what you're looking for unless your search is detailed. When you start typing, look for the Channels tab in your search results and tap it to filter everything except channels. If it doesn't appear right away, try typing a little more or adjusting your phrase until the global search kicks in. Now, an important note here. In 2024, Telegram tweaked its algorithm and actually shadow banned some public channels, meaning some channels vanish from global search to enforce new platform rules. If a channel used to appear and now doesn't, it might not be a bug but a deliberate change from Telegram's side, so keep that in mind. If you're still not seeing global channel results, let's experiment with different versions of Telegram. Often, the web client or the desktop app for Windows or Mac bypass more restrictions than the Android or iOS mobile apps. So try searching on webtelegram.org or the desktop app, even if you usually use your phone. If you're on Android, you can also install Telegram X, which is an official alternative client, and some users find that search results are less filtered there. Changing versions is like switching lanes when traffic is jammed. Sometimes you just need a slightly different route to find what you're looking for. Here's a quick round of app and account basics before we move to advanced territory. First, make sure your Telegram app is fully updated. Outdated versions often miss out on some search features. Just visit your app store and check for updates. Give your device and Telegram app a restart afterward. Sometimes all it takes is a fresh start for the bugs to clear up. Very rarely, your account itself could be flagged, for example, if you've violated Telegram's rules in the past, but for most regular users, this isn't an issue. Still, worth double-checking if none of the previous steps helped. Lastly, if you're a channel creator and wondering why your own channel isn't showing up in search, you'll want to polish up your channel's description. Add clear, relevant keywords to your profile and description. Think about what people will type into search to find your content. The Telegram algorithm picks up on these keywords to rank channels in results, almost like how Google does with websites. The more relevant your description, the better chance your channel will show up globally. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to restore global channel searches in Telegram, or at least understand why certain channels might still be missing. I hope this tutorial saved you some frustration today. If it helped, definitely give this video a thumbs up, leave any questions down in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy searching on Telegram.